guys, welcome to the very first episode of the Daily Start with Nigeria. This isn't going to be one of those fairy tale startup journeys. I'm documenting it raw as it happens. The highs, the lows, and even the technical frustrations that talks about. I kind of started my day with a cup of coffee. That kind of coffee is slow, almost like it's going to give you the answer to your problems. Watch me, and you know that it's gonna give you the answer to your problems. Then I stared at my laptop, and honestly, I felt like an impostor for the first 2 seconds of staring at my laptop. You know that feeling when you start questioning everything, right? So this is my day one at. Basically, I won't lie for you. I've been really going through so lot, and the first time I came here, I was not able to achieve anything. Sincerely speaking, right, it's not really easy for me right now. You know, when my laptop is really lagging and every other stuff. Trying to build with users, as you can see it, and I really want it to be something really great, and I want you to follow me through this journey. Basically, to be episodes. This is my first episode, and basically, I think I'll call this impostor syndrome. You know, when I first opened my VS Code to start working, everything was not really going well, and I felt like, damn, I was really going through a lot of bad stuff. It's really hard that, you know, I felt like I couldn't do it. I just felt like I'm just trying to be what I'm not. And I'm basically just, what I just want to do is just to make something worthwhile for myself. So like I said, imposter syndrome. Like, what am I doing? Who sent me? Am I being built for this thing? You know? The questions have been running through my mind as I was staring at my laptop. I was trying to do whatever it is. That's how I felt. But still, I opened the laptop. Then I created the project folder. Finally installed Next.js after taking almost 30 minutes of my time. You see, this build is really frustrating. Well, Next.js is the framework I'll be building with. You know, for a second, it felt like progress, even if it was this tiny mini bit of coding. But then my laptop decided to show me Pepe. Serious Pepe. If you're Yoruba, you know what Atarudo is. That's what my laptop decided to show me. It started lagging like it had personal issues with me. You know, when you try to do this, it's not even good. You're trying to run this and that, but it's just lagging. It's really slowed everything down. Every single click I was trying to with my mouse was a fight. I couldn't even Google solutions if I came across any issues, because once the Wi-Fi comes on, everything freezes. The laptop becomes so slow. So I did what no developer should ever do in 2025. Can you guess what that is? I kind of did something really funny. And you guessed right, I turned on airplane mode. Kind of turned on airplane mode and everything went to freeze. Yep, I did that. I was coding in airplane mode just to get my laptop to behave properly. It's a funny thing. But trying to build something that one could one day employ people, maybe bring in revenue, because that's my main aim, revenue, and solve real problems. But you can't even get Chrome and VS just going to run at the same time. It's really, really frustrating. And there's this thing about tech stress that hits different in Nigeria. Is it the unstable light, the dodgy devices, internet is giving you issues and it's feeling like it's a scam? It's made me feel like the universe was against me. Like the world was really telling me, Michael, go and get a 9 to 5 job at the egg. But then I reminded myself, every founder started somewhere, and sometimes somewhere could be this crappy laptop I'm using to work. And a heart full of doubts, just like I felt of myself. Like, you agree with me that slow progress is still progress, regardless. Creating that folder, installing Next.js, even if I didn't really do much, it's something and I'm proud of that. It's better than having nothing to show for, at least. So I told myself, today might be messy, but tomorrow can be better if I keep showing up. And I want to tell it to you today. That's it for episode 1 of building a startup in Nigeria. And if you're on a similar journey, whatever you're coding, in airplane mode, or feeling stuck, you're not alone. Catch you in the next episode. And hey, maybe next time your laptop will breathe. Don't forget to like, comment, or share this with someone trying to build something from scratch. Peace.